Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Ever wondered how to get rid of those pesky YouTube ads on your Android device? We all love a good YouTube binge, but those ads that pop up mid-video can be a real mood killer. It's like being in the middle of an epic action scene and someone suddenly hits the pause button. Annoying, right? But what if you could watch your favorite videos without any interruptions? Imagine a world where you can enjoy YouTube ad-free on your Android device. And no, you don't have to shell out any cash for this. Intrigued? Well, today is your lucky day. We're going to walk you through 2 different methods to block those bothersome ads on YouTube for Android. The best part? They're completely free and you won't need to root your device. So grab your Android and let's get started. Our first method involves changing your DNS settings. DNS, or Domain Name System, is essentially the phone book of the internet. It translates human-friendly website addresses like www.youtube.com into computer-friendly IP addresses. Now, by tweaking these settings, we can block ad traffic before it even reaches your Android device. Intriguing, isn't it? There's a variety of free DNS providers out there that offer ad blocking features. Let's walk through the process together, step by step. First, you'll need to head over to your Android phone settings. Within Settings, navigate your way to the Wi-Fi section. Tap on the Wi-Fi network that you're currently connected to and hold it down to bring up the advanced options. Within these options, you'll find one labeled either as Private DNS or DNS Settings. This is the one we're interested in. You see, normally your DNS settings are set to automatic, which means your device uses the DNS server provided by your internet service provider. But we're going to change that. Tap on the Private DNS or DNS Settings option and change the settings from automatic to private. Now you're going to enter a custom DNS server address, which will be provided by your chosen ad-blocking DNS provider. You can easily find a list of free ad-blocking DNS servers with a quick online search. Once you've entered your chosen DNS server address, save the changes. And just like that, you've set up your ad-blocking DNS server. Now, whenever you connect to that particular Wi-Fi network, your phone will use the configured ad-blocking DNS server. This server will filter out all the ad traffic, including those pesky YouTube ads, before they load onto your device. So there you have it, folks. That's the DNS Server Method in a nutshell. It's a simple yet effective way to enjoy your favorite YouTube content without any disruptive ads. This method doesn't require any additional apps or tools, just a few tweaks in your phone's settings. But remember, this method is specific to the Wi-Fi network you've set up. If you connect to a different network, you'll need to repeat the process for that network too. Now, whenever you connect to that Wi-Fi network, your phone will use the ad-blocking DNS server, filtering out YouTube ads before they load. The second method involves using a third-party app that acts as a dedicated browser for YouTube. Now, you might be wondering, how does a browser app block YouTube ads? Well, it's quite simple. These apps are designed with built-in ad-blocking technology. This means they have the capability to filter out ads before they even get a chance to appear on your screen. So when you watch YouTube using these apps, you can enjoy an uninterrupted viewing experience. But just like with anything else, it's essential to choose the right app for this task. You see, not all apps are created equal. Some may be more effective at blocking ads than others. So how do you decide which app to go for? Here are a few things to consider. First, look for apps with good reviews. User reviews can give you a fair idea of how well an app works and whether it's reliable. They can also alert you to any potential issues or bugs. Second, consider the reputation of the app's developer. An app developed by a reputable company is more likely to be safe, reliable, and effective. You can usually find information about the developer on the app's page in the Google Play Store. Third, read the app's permissions carefully. Some apps may request access to information or features they don't really need. Be cautious of apps that ask for more permissions than necessary. If an app wants access to your contacts, for instance, that's a red flag. A YouTube browser app has no business needing that kind of information. Lastly, consider using a trusted antivirus or security app on your Android device. This can provide an additional layer of protection, especially if you're downloading apps from outside the Google Play Store. Once you've chosen an app, the installation process is usually straightforward. You'll need to download the app, grant it the necessary permissions, and then simply open the app and start watching YouTube. The app should automatically block ads, giving you a seamless viewing experience. Now, while these third-party browser apps can be incredibly useful, it's important to remember that they aren't foolproof. Some ads might still slip through the cracks. Plus, these apps can sometimes affect YouTube's functionality, like preventing you from commenting on videos. But for the most part, they do a pretty good job at blocking ads and making your YouTube viewing experience more enjoyable. So if you're tired of those pesky ads disrupting your YouTube binge-watching sessions, give these third-party browser apps a try. They're a simple and effective solution for ad-free YouTube viewing on your Android device. If you choose to go this route, be sure to do your research and download apps only from trusted sources. With either of these methods, you can finally enjoy an ad-free YouTube experience on your Android phone. Let's do a quick recap. We've explored two distinct ways to block those pesky ads that interrupt your favorite YouTube content. The first method is a DNS server. It's like a gatekeeper, filtering out unwanted ad traffic before it reaches your device. All you need to do is adjust your Wi-Fi settings, and voila, you've got a smoother, ad-free experience. The second method involves using a third-party browser app designed specifically to block ads within the YouTube platform. It's a straightforward approach, but remember, it's essential to download apps only from trusted sources. Now, you might be wondering, are these free solutions perfect? Well, like anything in life, there might be some limitations. For instance, some DNS servers might not block all ads, and third-party apps could have their own quirks, but let's not forget that these are free solutions. They're a fantastic starting point for casual YouTube viewers who want to enjoy their content without the constant interruption of ads. Now, if you're a power user and you want a more comprehensive solution, there are paid ad blocking services out there. They offer more robust features and typically come with customer support. But for most of us, the methods we've discussed today provide a great way to enhance our YouTube viewing experience without spending a dime. So, are you ready to give it a go? Which method will you try? The DNS server route or the third-party browser app? Don't forget, we're here to help. If you've got any questions or need some guidance, just drop a comment below. We're all about making your YouTube experience the best it can be. Let us know in the comments which method you plan to try, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. Thanks for watching and happy ad-free viewing!